Welcome back, car fans! Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated SUVs of 2025, the 2026 Honda Pilot Hybrid. This isn't just another update, it's a game changer for Honda's beloved three-row family hauler. Hey everyone! If you're in the market for a spacious, tech-packed SUV that's finally going hybrid, you're gonna want to watch this. Let's break down everything we know so far about the 2026 Honda Pilot Hybrid, from its powerful new engine to its futuristic tech and fuel efficiency that might surprise you. Honda typically reveals new models in the spring or summer, so expect an official unveiling sometime in late 2025. Deliveries are likely to start rolling out by early 26. So if you're planning a family SUV upgrade next year, keep your eyes peeled. The biggest news? The 2026 Pilot is going hybrid for the first time ever. At the heart of it all is a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a projected 300 horsepower and around 340 AWDSUV of torque. That's serious punch for a family SUV, and thanks to that hybrid setup, combined fuel economy could top 30 MPG, which would be a huge leap over the current gas-only model. It'll also feature an electronic continuously variable transmission, or eCVT, for smooth acceleration and better efficiency. And get this, all-wheel drive is expected to be standard on the hybrid version. So whether you're hitting the highway or tackling some light off-road trails, the Pilot Hybrid will have your back. Visually, the 2026 Pilot Hybrid gets a sleeker, more modern look. Expect a bolder front grille, updated LED headlights and taillights, and some aerodynamic tweaks to help boost that fuel economy. New wheel designs and possibly fresh color options should make it stand out in the crowded three-row SUV space. This isn't just a family truck, it's turning into a real head-turner. Step inside and things get even more exciting. Rumors point to a massive 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, similar to what you'll find in the latest Accord and Passport. And yes, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are expected to come standard. There's talk of a fully digital instrument cluster, likely around 10.2 inches, giving you full control over your driving data at a glance. And tech lovers, here's the kicker. There's speculation that Google built-in could make its way into the system, meaning Google Assistant, Maps, and Play Store apps right from your dash. Safety-wise, expect the latest Honda Sensing Suite with improved driver assist features, keeping your family safe without being too intrusive. Now let's talk numbers. Rumors suggest the base hybrid model will start around $42,000, with top trims pushing past $50,000. That puts it in direct competition with the Hyundai Palisade Hybrid, Kia Telluride Hybrid, and Toyota Highlander Hybrid. But with Honda's reputation for reliability and resale value, and now this hybrid performance and tech, it might be worth the premium. The 26 Honda Pilot Hybrid is an ideal choice for a wide range of drivers. It's especially well-suited for growing families who need ample space to accommodate up to 8 passengers comfortably. Commuters will appreciate its hybrid efficiency, offering significant fuel savings without compromising on power or performance. For those with a sense of adventure, the inclusion of standard all-wheel drive and rugged design elements makes it capable of handling more than just daily driving. Tech enthusiasts will also find plenty to love, with cutting-edge connectivity features and modern infotainment options that keep everyone entertained and informed. The 2026 Honda Pilot Hybrid is more than just a family-friendly SUV. It's transforming into a smart, efficient, and high-tech powerhouse that meets the demands of today's diverse drivers. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Honda Pilot Hybrid the SUV you've been waiting for? With a strong hybrid powertrain, cutting-edge tech, and Honda's signature reliability, this could be the best Pilot yet. Let us know in the comments below. Would you buy one, or are you waiting to see what competitors bring to the table? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates as they drop. See you next time!